Check RIA Money Transfer History 2025 New Guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly jump onto the topic of this video. So for that, first of all, you have to log into your RIA Money Transfer and access your RIA account on the website or through the mobile app. And after that, you have to navigate to transfer history. Find the section dedicated to tracking or viewing transaction history, and this might be labeled as track a transfer or transfer history or something similar. And after that, you may need to enter your transfer pin in order to view specific details. And after that, RIA also sends email updates about the transfer status, so you can monitor the progress there as well. And if you need a full report, you have to visit the RIA Help Center and locate the section on requesting transfer history and fill out the online form with the required information, and you will need to upload a copy of valid government issued photo or ID. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.